Lake Life started 3 years ago, but in the current location coming up a year now. I started Lake Life to represent the area. We do concentrate on Lake Kiwi, but also on Lake Hartwell, Lake Jocassee. So I was in sales, or either as an entrepreneur my whole life. Been in real estate coming about 14 years. Worked for several agencies in the local area and had a vision to start Lake Life a little over 3 years ago to concentrate as a Lake Life specialist in this area. Not just on the lake, but the experiences we have here in the upstate, the lakes, the mountains, and all the surrounding areas that we have. No, I've got a great group of agents. We all mesh well together. It's more of a family. We kind of clone each other, the Lake Life crew, and I'm the captain. So I enjoy the ones I have. Always looking for new experienced agents. So yeah, we actually take folks out on Lake Kiwi. The agents can provide boats to a day trip and just kind of get an experience for Lake Life on Kiwi. So we often have walk-in clients. We're very conveniently located here right off of Highway 123, or the bypass as many call it. So when you come in, many people are looking for information first time. They'll walk in. Generally there's always an agent on duty, whether it's Dawn or Valerie or Brian or Jeff, some of the agents that are here. They'll get greeted with kind of a welcome wagon conversation, that we have information on the area, real estate, where to stay, what restaurants to enjoy. So it's not just the need for real estate. A lot of times folks come in just to gather information about the area. So yeah, we've got coffee mugs, koozies, pens, I've got my own branded t-shirts, lake maps. So when folks come in, stop in, let us give you some information, give you some of the Lake Life swag that we have, and send you on your way. When you come in, I want you to feel comfortable. I want you to feel like you're sitting on the sofa at your home. We sit down and talk about what you want to do.